Alright, so haven't made a video for a while. That's me. I actually have a couple herniated discs in my back. It's been keeping me from being real active. But so first project I made in a while. I'm gonna probably label this as a gas powered table saw, but it's got two arbors, can take any attachment. Saw blade for it's inside. Trash picked, just a little belt driven little deal. It was mounted to a wood table when I got it. I used the table as a workbench inside the garage there, but so I got the belt, and then go and do a little 3-horse Tecumseh snowblower motor. Spring on there for tension. Really not too much going on to it. Pretty easy to make. Everything's been trash picked. This is a little saw table for see under there maybe, for a circular saw, just handheld circular saw to mount to the bottom of it upside down, and then you got a little cheap shit table saw, whatever. So yeah, that's basically what's going on. Motor's mounted sideways. Then I had a diaphragm carb. I had to put that on there instead of the float bowl carb, so I could turn the motor like that and be able to get at it the way I wanted it. Just a cheap old shit gas tank filter on off right there. And then this is something else I made today. A little throttle mechanism, because I don't need to, you know, wind it out up and down. I just want to keep it at a set pace. So I loosen this, or open this, turn that, and that'll pull the screw away. And at the end of it, inside here, is a cable clamp welded to the end of this bolt. And then so that'll pull the cable as I pull it. There's a spring inside there too, just to keep everything snappy. And then another spring right in here, just to keep everything nice and tight. I guess we'll start her up real quick here. I think you should be able to see everything from there. I'll come pick you back up. Hold on. Bad. 4 pulls for being cold. Well, as soon as I talk, maybe we'll turn the throttle up here and give her a pull. She might even be out of gas. Hold on a second. Let me shut her off here and we'll pick back up. Okay, put some gas in her there. You know, it is a little finicky before I get starting her again here, because it is sitting on its side, and so it wants to get a wet spark plug real quick, just the way it sits. But it'll run once she's going. Give me a second here. I think I'll set her down so I have a little more control over things here. I know you can't really see too terrible, but almost. Hold on. sure once she's warmed up it's a little easier, but still a work in progress here. Shut that choke down, hold on. Alright. Yeah, she'll idle fairly low, keeping that thing spinning still. She's gonna die. Well, that's where we are though. But yeah, might seem pretty pointless, and it basically is, but I don't have a table grinder in my garage. And actually my garage only has one outlet too. Lots of this shit I spent, this cost me absolutely nothing, and all of this. Just picking stuff up as I go. There's the wife. But alright, so looks like she's got food for me or something. But thanks for all the new subscribers there, and try to get it back on the horse here, making some videos. Anybody has some questions or anything like that, I'm always happy to help. Yeah, leave any comment, any question you can. If you haven't noticed, if you leave a bullshit comment, I just block you, erase your comment, and go on with my day. So that's your prerogative. But okay, see you later. Alright, let this thing zoom in here. Jesus. There we are. Either way, it's been out there idling for about half hour. Figured I'd throw this on with this video. Let's see what kind of temperature it's running. It's a snowblower motor. I think maybe end up cutting some parts out of the shroud on it. Let some air move in on it. It's I got her all dialed in with the high and lows on the carb and stuff. A little more responsive, but let's see what kind of temperature it's running. Show you it idling at the lowest it can, really, and then a little more responsive. So let's grab the thermometer here, and we'll be on the road here in a second. It's about 20 minutes of idling. See what bearings are running pretty hot. They're just WD-40. Turn it down a little bit. Probably could have gone a little lower if I had been playing with it a little bit more, but that tells anybody anything, but I think she's running cool enough. It doesn't really smell too hot, so we'll rev her up, and that'll be it for the day here. did end up changing the spring around into a spring that's pulling. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. Maybe not, but I think for hooking the saw blade up to it, maybe getting the governor in play instead of just a straight throttle where it'll be able to amp itself up a little bit. But yeah, just a project, really no point to it. So, alright, see ya.